Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of vgltech. Here we have today in front of us two products from the same company. The first product is the Phonesoap, which is this one. This is the newest one, which is the 3.0 Phonesoap. And the other product, which was released recently, is the Homesoap. And as you can see here, it says right here, Homesoap. And so what the Homesoap is to sanitize your larger devices, like your Samsung Fold. Like right here, Samsung Fold, my Fold device. Because even with folded, the Phonesoap would not be able to close. And so what I would do is open this, and then it also should be able to fit your iPads or any other devices that you might have lying around, like your GoPro or something, and it should be able to sanitize all of that. So basically, the Phonesoap and the Homesoap uses UV light to destroy, pretty much kills 99.99% of germs. Whether it's true or not, I cannot verify unless I have like the whole petri dish and swab, and then swab your phone, and then I have to do all those tests. But right now I'm gonna believe what they say, because when you tend to have kids, you tend to be germaphobe. So here I am now. So let's go ahead and get started. Trusty knife in case I need it, but it doesn't look like I need it this time. So we're gonna open up the Phonesoap first. So this is the Phonesoap. Clean phone, happy home is their motto. It's the power cable right here. Then here we have the package, which is all there is left in here. Power cable and the package. Okay. Go ahead and get this open. And as you can see here, this is a USB connection. While your phone is charging, while your phone is inside, you can actually hook a cable in here to charge your phone while it's under the UV light, if you wanted to leave it overnight or something. And this is the input. Let me just tear this off. And here you have what's inside. It's just your pamphlet. Let's get started. And it shows you all what the different ports are and what to do, plug it in. And so basically all you would do is just plug in the device. These are the two UV lights on top and bottom right here. This is either glass or plastic protecting this bulb. There's no glass or plastic protecting this bulb. But as you can see here, would not fit. I think it has to be fully closed in order for the light to come on right here. As you can see, my Samsung Fold will not fit. Even opened up. But I do have an iPhone right here. And as you can see here, fits perfectly, and then you would connect the cable right here. And the way the Phonesoap works is whenever you plug this in, it has a automatic timer to where this light will turn on. And let me see, I will plug it in. so you can see how it actually works. Okay, as you can see here, I have it plugged in, and so I might have too much light in here, so you won't be able to see it. But you can see there is a chart. You can see a light right there. So that's mean it's working. So what you would do is you would just leave it in there for 10 minutes. You would just leave it in there for 10 minutes and it should sanitize your phone. So there you have it. This is the Phonesoap. So next up, which is the product I've been waiting for, is the Homesoap. So as you can see here, it's pretty big, and this time I will need my trusty knife. Trusty knife right here. Tear that apart. First thing first, we also have another power plug, which is a lot bigger than the Phonesoap. So let's see if we can get this removed out of its container. So as you see here, this is the Homesoap, which is the I guess the larger of the Phonesoap. And see, as you can see, it's way larger. So as you can see here, you have these. This is the bottom right here, rubber stoppers. So it does not move or slide. And you can see here it says move before use. We're gonna tear that off correctly. Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that up later. So as you can see here, typical Phonesoap product, but it's a Homesoap. This is where the power supply to plug into, and here's the main part of it. You can see here the inside. There's tubes right here, and right here, and same as the Phonesoap, a long UV light tube here on the bottom, and just gonna flip it upside down, and then there's a long UV light tube on top right here, and so basically you should be able to fit your devices in here, and you close this, and then a light will turn on here. The light will turn on for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes it will cut off and your device should be sanitized. Now up here you have a button right here which you can do manual on off. It's set up to automatic by default, so when every time you close this will automatically turn on. And also I forgot to mention, just like the Phonesoap, you have 2 ports down right here. 2 ports down here for charging your devices while it's inside getting sanitized. So you have a USB right here and a USB-C connection right here. So you can charge pretty much anything from Android to whatever device that you have, Android, iPad, whatever. So as you can see here, at least here now, I should be able to fit my phone in, opened. and you would just rest it in here, just like that, and then it should be sanitized. So and then I'm pretty sure what happens is that these extra tubes on the side right here is what shines the UV light through these tubes right here. There's 3 tubes on this side right here, and 3 tubes on this side right here, and then 1 tube on top and 1 tube on the bottom. And what I'll do is I'm gonna stick my extra GoPro camera in here so you can see how once you close the box and how the UV light turns on. As I said, you can fit pretty much any large device. This iPad right here is a 12-inch iPad, so as you can see here, it can fit in there also. But I'm gonna stick my phone in there, and then we'll go ahead and test turning it on with the GoPro sitting inside. So let me go ahead and make sure the GoPro is recording. Make sure we add some battery to the GoPro. Okay, as you can see here, GoPro is on. Gonna hook this up. Put my phone in here, and then I'm gonna turn on the recording. This GoPro. Then I'm gonna cut off. Close the door. As you can see here, when you close the door, it turns on, the light turns on. And if you want to manually cut it off, you just touch that button and it will cut off the Homesoap. So I'm just gonna close it back up again to let it record, and as you can see, you'll be able to see from the inside how it works. Couldn't do that with the Phonesoap. Way too small, but I could do it with the Homesoap. So there you go. And if you open the door manually, it will just automatically cut off. So just like the Phonesoap, just gonna cut this off. Just like the Phonesoap, 10 minutes, and it's supposedly clean 99.99% of the germs. So there you have it. You have the Phonesoap right here, and the bigger Homesoap for larger devices, or you actually can stick anything from glasses, sunglasses, to anything you want to sanitize that can be sanitized, you can stick in there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, and please subscribe, and I will also put links on how to purchase. You can pretty much purchase directly from their website, or you can purchase from your typical websites like Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.